everyone, I am Raiza Riaz Domingo. I am currently second year college, taking Bachelor of Physical Education in Western Philippines University main campus. How PE taught me about life. In my dance era, PE taught me that expression is empowerment. Dancing allowed me to express myself freely and build confidence. In my elementary days, I always join dance competition. Feeling ko kasi dito, mas lalong rebuild yung confidence ko, and through this journey, mas lalong na-build yung confidence ko, and mas lalo kong naipakita sa tao kung ano nga ba yung talent ko. Sa PE kasi, hindi lang siya more on laro. When I was in elementary, yung alam ko, PE is more on laro. Dati kasi is nag-try ako mag-volleyball, pero since yun nga, hindi pinalad dahil since yun nga, hindi ako marunong and I'm not into sports. Siguro I'm in dance talaga. So thank you kasi bigyan ako ni God ng talent na yun na may pakita to showcase. And syempre, sa mamamagitan ng talent na yun, mas lalong na-build yung confidence ko. And sa ngayon, is mas lalong siyang minamahal. And sa mamamagitan ng pagsasayaw is marami akong nakilala, marami akong nakilala na tulungan. And lagi akong sumasali sa dance competition. Mas lalo kong na-enjoy kapag may piyesta sa amin kasi lagi akong sumasali and lagi rin naman mananalo. So, sa mamamagitan nun, mas lalong na-build yung confidence. Not only my confidence, but may pakita sa mga tao na yung pagsasayaw is hindi siya hadlang.
Baby, through my command, like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Through my command, like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Cause if you're looking for front enough for me.
Way back 2020, kinuha ko bilang isang member ng dance group, which is the Green Lion Dancer. Yun kasi is, yung sinasayo namin dun is more on cultural. And sa pamamagitan din ng pagiging dancer, mas alam mo manapakita and masashow mo yung kung ano nga ba yung history ng Pilipinas, kung ano nga ba yung history ng isang sayaw. Sa pamamagitan nun, mas lalong nakilala and mas lalong may mapakita natin kung ano nga ba yung kahalagahan ng isang sayaw. Discipline and hard work. Yun ang ating yung creativity and self-esteem. And self-expression, teamwork, and collaboration. So, dealing with failure. Kasama din siya sa pagsasayaw. Why? Because PE taught me how to handle failure and disappointment. So, syempre, hindi lang laging panalo. Nakakaranas din tayo ng failure and disappointment na rin. So I've learned to reflect on what went wrong and use it as an opportunity to improve. So this helped me to develop a growth mindset and bounce back from setback. So, time management. Sa dance, dapat marunong ka rin mag-balance ng schoolworks and dance commitment. And it taught me that importance of time management and discipline. I had to prioritize my tasks, set goals, and stick to my schedule to achieve success. Thank you for watching.